Hey everyone, it's Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of September are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated on last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media using the hashtags Manero brushes and Manero challenge, and feel free to include this image in your post. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for September is Minimalistic Avatar. The idea is to explore a simplified or minimalistic take on a character based on your own persona. I'm going to show you how I did my own take on the challenge, so that maybe you can get some ideas for how to approach yours. First, I used the included brush to plan my idea by doing a rough sketch. I thought it would be fun if I drew myself as if I was a pencil. The body of the pencil is bent in a couple of places to emulate the movement of the body. Since I have long hair and I usually put on a man bun, I drew the tip of the pencil as if it was the bun. I also added my glasses, my beard, the legs, and the arms. I drew myself holding a smaller pencil and surrounded by a few pieces of paper as if I was exploding in creativity. I then lowered the opacity in my sketch, and on a new layer I used the sketch as a guide to paint with colors directly, without any kind of line work. The brush for this month's challenge has a little bit of color dynamics to it, so even if the included color palette is limited, the colors you can paint with it are very rich and cool. My idea was to work without line art as long as I could, and then add a few very well thought lines in specific places to help with defining the shapes and silhouette of the character. This was an interesting challenge for me personally, because many times I tend to overcomplicate things and I end up detailing too much. Sometimes it is fun to make an effort in the opposite direction and try to keep the shapes and details as simplified as possible while retaining the essence of the concept. Also, instead of using black for all the lines, I did some of them using the colors available in the color palette. This is a challenge that everyone is welcome to join and try their own take. You could do like I did and base your character on a daily item, or do something different entirely. The point is to participate and have a good time. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.